Hello everyone. My name is Mr.Bellic and you're watching Bellic Robotics. Welcome back to my channel in a new video of full stack development. In full stack development, we are moving forward with HTML concept, and this is a video about what is HTML. Without wasting much time, let's jump to the video and see what is HTML in detail. So I know this video is coming after very long, like 4 months. But I was busy with something, so let's start. Okay, so what is HTML? HTML is, like I already told you in the previous videos, that our web page have three components: HTML, CSS, and JS. Just for a revision, I explain you again. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. So this is like a structure of a website. Means, like when you are making a building or a house, then you will have some structure like of cement and bricks. It's same like for a website. HTML is that structure of bricks and cement. So what is here hypertext, and what is markup, and what is all this HTML about? We are going to see in this. So first of all, it's like there are three components in a web page: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We can make a web page just using HTML only, but we can't use web page using CSS or JS only. Okay, for example, we just write a simple code: HTML. Hi, my name is Rudy, and HTML. So this code will, wait, I will make it. Yeah. So this single line of code, hi, my name is Rudy, and this HTML tags will give us a simple basic website. Alright, so yeah, this is our website. Hi, my name is Rudy. What we use, we just write a HTML tag, and hi, my name is Rudy, and just have an extension top.html. Okay, so once a very silly question some people ask, or like it's not silly, but like multiple times people ask me, Rhythm, if this tag are case sensitive, like if we write HTML in uppercase, will it work? So the answer is yeah, it will work. It's is not the tags are not case sensitive. You can use in any case you want. It will work as it is. Okay. So, okay, now we know that only uses HTML we can make a web page. So let's see what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So this thing have two things. One is hypertext and one is markup language. Let's see what is hypertext first. So hypertext is you have gone to a Wikipedia page, right? Okay, let's open Wikipedia only. Okay. Yeah, this is a Wikipedia page. You can see, you if you click one thing, it open a link. When you click on this link, it will click a page. So hyperlink is the thing on which you click and it move you to another web page. So hypertext is a link, or that blue object which with a line, only link only. If you click on that text and you will move to our next web page. So this is all out hypertext. The World Wide Web, this was the first web page ever created. You can see there are multiple hyperlinks, like this one, oh, sorry, this one, this one. And every time you click this hyperlinks, you will go to a new web page. So this was all about hyperlinks. Now second thing is markup language. What are markup language? Okay, so if I just write my name is Freedom, this is my first web page, I am learning HTML. Only this in the here. Wait, yeah. Hi, my name is yeah. Hi, my name is Rudy only. So this is showing. But okay, so we will just it's like comment this out and just give some text. Yeah. So here are some tags. Okay. Don't worry about this tags. What is this title? What is this body? What is H? When we will explain everything in upcoming videos. So just doing some these changes will have a website. Here we have a different divisions, some bold tags and all. So this markup language have help us to make a structure, good structure. So this is all means by markup. So hypertext means the links which will take you to the next web pages, and markup language means there's some text. So there are different tags like doc type, color group, data list, HTML, and other things. Everything we will going to see in the upcoming videos. So this was like last video of HTML concept is like, because there's no more theoretical concept here. Now from next video we are going to do a hands-on, like different tags and how we can make our HTML sites from scratch. So for this video, this is all about this video, and we will meet in next video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share some likes for me and give some comments if you want, and I don't know, whatever you want to do. Okay, bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.